This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1131DL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 15 feet 10 inches in length and features a Cashmere Midlin interior, sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, microwave, leveling jacks, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1131DL is 3,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.